Hi and welcome to RoulManger. During this lesson we will understand how to capture draw numbers and start playing with RoulManger. We need to have the casino window available and the RoulManger active. We have our site. We go to the option menu and the first thing we have to do is to spin check area capture. What is a spin check area? Okay, spin check area is the area where all the numbers are showed. Why we are going to capture this? Because sometimes it can happen that due to lag or internet problems or pop-ups, RoulManger is not able to find the new number that is drawn. In this way, we check this area to see if it changes between one spin and one other. If it doesn't change, that means that something strange has happened and we stop playing with RoulManger. If we want to continue the process, we just press yes and we select the top left corner and the bottom right corner. Okay, once we got it, you will see a flag here. That means that the area has been correctly recorded. Next step is to capture numbers. Before capturing numbers, we have to set maybe some delays. The first delay is delay before finding drawn numbers. What does it mean? From the moment you click to the moment the number is available here. So just try, click, and the number is available. Click, number is available. As you can see, is almost immediate. We give 2 seconds just to be sure about that. Just consider some lag. So I suggest not to change unless you see delay over 2 seconds. Marker, this is the position of the marker. This is the marker, the position of the marker. And we must tell RoulManger if marker hides lower number or higher number. In this case, as you can see, the marker is on the number 20 and it covers a bit number 17. So we use 0 because it hides lower number. Other thing, and the last delay, is the delay between spin. That means if I say 1 second is click, 1 second, click, 1 second. So we can give time to RoulManger to check exactly what's happening and to capture correctly all the numbers. Okay, when we are ready, we can go ahead with capture numbers. Procedure will start, and on the screen you will see on the right capture numbers, and on the left RoulManger is starting clicking on the spin and recognizing all the numbers drawn. You see now on the right part the number drawn and some actions that RoulManger is performing. He is saving number 30, 33, 24, 0. So in red you see the number you saved. In green all the numbers that still are missing. And in case another number you already saved has been drawn, you will get, here we are, in black, the draw number 24. Okay, 2 number missing. Okay, the last one. We are still waiting for the 25. Okay, we got it. Finished. All numbers have been acquired. The procedure is finished. Okay, capture complete. What to do now? We have to set some specific game session settings for the casino we are going to play with. So first of all, delay before betting. What does it mean? Ends the time that the RoulManger will wait before placing the bets on the table. 2 seconds is enough. This value cannot be changed. and it's the delay before finding the drawn number. As we said it before, as you can see, it's the same value. Then checkbox to flag or not. Bets remain on table in case of wins. In case of wins in certain tables like this one, if you win, the bet will remain. Let's see. Okay, we win, and see, the fish's won remains here. We need to clean, so we have to let this flag checked. The other one is French roulette. In certain French roulette, they returns a half of simple bets in case of 0. So if you're playing a French roulette, just be sure this one is checked. Then mandatory bet for spinning. Certain roulettes want you to place a bet or you cannot play. That is usually used to avoid free spins like this one. You see, in this case, you can spin whenever you want without placing any bets. If your roulette doesn't allow this one, you have to check a mandatory bet for spinning. The last is marker prevents bet. Marker prevents bet means that you cannot put the fish. Let's say you want to bet the 17. You cannot put the fish here because the marker prevent to put the fish on the number. So what to do? If you flag this one, we are going to simulate a bet to clean, so you have nothing, you don't have the marker here, and you can place the bet if you need to. The last thing mandatory to set properly the roulette is the table limits. We open the page and we see table limits. You just go, I don't know where it can be on your roulette. In this roulette, just passing the mouse here, you see the roulette limits, and you have to set the roulette limits here. So we can just remain here with the mouse and write unplaying is 0.50 for a max of 20. Columns and dozen is 1 for a maximum of 240. Red, black, high-lows, and even odd is 2 and 720. Minimum global bet is 0.50 and maximum is 1,500. Once this one is set, you can press OK, and operation is complete, and you can start playing with RoulManger.